Hey everybody, welcome back to Soft Wash Evolution. This is going to be a quick video today. I didn't plan on making one at this house. I'm just doing a simple vinyl sided house wash here. This is a new customer. I've never done their home before. As I was walking around this place with the homeowner, he kind of showed me around the house. That's outside of the house to what he wanted done. It's a typical house wash and a deck on the back, so there's not much. But I looked up and I noticed something. So I took a picture of it, zoomed in. That's what I'm going to put in the thumbnail for this. Look at where my ladder is right there. At the very top, the ridge vent of that house. That's a caulk gun that was left behind by the roofers. The homeowner told me this roof was replaced 8 years ago. That caulk gun has been sitting on that roof ridge vent for 8 years. He said that he's thrown a couple things at it. The homeowner's a little older, he's retired, but he's not able to climb up there and get it down. He said it's been up there forever. It's drove him nuts. So I was not planning on using a ladder at all today. Like I said, I'm just doing a simple 2-story vinyl sided house wash, but I'm here and I'm gonna go get that down. I'm not gonna be able to climb up there with the camera in my hand and my long handled brush that I'm gonna use to pull that thing down. So I'm gonna set it down on the tripod and film myself going up there. It's a quick video, just thought I'd capture it. Some things you've got to do when you're house washing. Like I said, 8 years that's been up there. I don't know why they would even need that. I think the ridge vents might need to be glued down or caulked down or something. I'm not sure what's in that caulk gun, but we're gonna go knock it down for them. Stay tuned. So I think I can get it from where I am. I'm just gonna use my brush here. This long handle brush that I use to clean gutters and things like that. It's about 18 feet long. And I'm just gonna pull that gun down, that caulk gun. I said I was gonna take the camera with me, but it's really hard to hold while holding this brush and break all kinds of safety rules here. That caulk gun is sitting just over that ridge vent. So it's in a spot that just the wind and the rain, everything has just never taken it down. Can't believe it. It stood there for that long. 8 years. Stretch this thing right out. I'll pull it down to me so that it doesn't, I don't want to push it over the other side. Here it comes. Controlled slide. That is a rusty caulk gun. So I'm going to come down and show you this thing up close. I can't believe it's been there for that long. 8 years this thing's been there. Simple as that. Little things you got to do. This will make the customer happy. One-handed again. Now I'm holding two things. Go down slow. Never leave stuff behind. All your tools and equipment. That's how people end up getting a bad reputation. Everybody in this neighborhood probably saw this thing. I actually saw it as soon as I was pulling up. I parked on the road. I didn't even pull in the driveway. And not that you could tell it was a caulk gun, but you could definitely see something was on the ridge vent of that house. I thought it was like a decoration or something got left behind, but nope, that's what it is. So I'll pick the camera up. I had it sitting on the tailgate of my truck, zoomed way in. So let's go back to normal zoom. There it is. Silicone, tube of silicone caulk. That rusty caulk gun, 8 years old. Some things you've got to do. Quick video. Take that ladder down because I don't need it. I'm going to wash that house. Thanks for watching.